Hello everyone, this is a review of a customer 838 and this is an MSI laptop, the prediced model. And customer came in was the hinge was broken, reason it and make the screen defective as well, and we customers need us to fix the broken hinge on the left side and replace the entire new screen. So this is the old one, a little crack here. So you have a laptop that you see that's not normal. Maybe the body, the hinge was pop up a little bit, and you quickly go to the service. Otherwise, it may damage your screen as well, and that will cost you a lot of money to fix it. So I recommend if you have something like that, and feel free to contact us IT and any branch. So we welcome you all. Thank you. Bye bye.